me skirt, skirt, skirt like I stole it. I've been rolling, 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 rolling. Pack loud, got a nigga wide open.
Hey you guys, it's Janai. Welcome back to my channel. So I am getting ready to leave and go to a model casting right now. So I figured why not do a quick little video on how I do my makeup for model castings, because like I said, I want to start doing more modeling things on my channel. So I'm gonna be talking about different things like what to wear or like getting signed to an agency and like stuff like that. So today, like I said, I'm gonna be talking about getting ready to go to a model casting. So for castings, they want to see how you look, so it's important to not wear too much makeup. They really would prefer you to wear no makeup, but usually they say little to no makeup, which is why I do small things like cover these dark spots that I have, fill in my brows a little bit, only a little bit though. So yeah, this video is gonna be very, what's the word I'm looking for? It's gonna be very simple, and I can't think of the other word. So without any more talking, let's just jump right into the video. So first, like I said, I'm going to lightly fill in my brows. Dang, am I going through puberty? Why is my voice cracking? So yeah, I'm going to lightly fill in my brows, and I'm going to use this eyebrow pen from Iris Beauty NYC. Like I told you guys, I like to use pens, well not pens, but like powder or like pencil to fill in my brows when I'm trying to make them look more natural, and then when I'm trying to have like my on fleek like Instagram brows, I'll use pomade. So yeah, today I'm using this pencil. So yeah, I'm gonna just start by brushing them out, and then I'm going to lightly fill them in. See how natural that looks? Okay, so when you're going to these castings, they don't expect you to be perfect or anything, so I'm not even gonna conceal my brows or anything. They look fine, honestly. I really don't even need to. So on to the next. Now, I don't know what happened, you guys, lately. My skin just like broke out. If you're new to my channel, I used to have like really good clear skin. Like my skin is still smooth now, but like ever since I like really badly broke out, it left all these dark spots. So I'm just going to cover these up a little bit. So I'm gonna put a little bit of primer. I'm always using my Urban Decay Urban Defense primer, and I'm gonna put a little bit in this area and this area, and that's all I'm really gonna put it, because that's all that I'm really gonna put makeup on. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of this Glossier Perfecting Skin Tint. This is in the color Dark. I find it so funny when I'm the color dark in something, because like I'm really not like dark. But anyway, and I'm gonna use this because this is like the lightest coverage foundation or whatever it is, because it's like barely foundation, that I have ever used, like ever. So if you're looking for something very light, like just to even out your skin tone, Glossier makes makeup for people whose skin is kind of already good. If you're looking for something very light and natural looking, this is it. And I'm just gonna put a little bit, and that's just gonna help, because when I put the concealer on, it'll help blend it out. So I'm just gonna drop some onto this brush. This is my Morphe M444 brush. Cool. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the concealer, and I'm going to use these two Glossier concealers, and I'm gonna use two of them because these two are one shade away from each other, but I feel like this one is a little too dark and this one is a little too light for certain parts of my face. Like for my forehead, I think this is like perfect for my forehead and like the outer part of like my face, and this one I think is good for like right under my eyes and like concealing under my brows. But like for just my face, I like to mix them a little bit, because yeah. So I'm just gonna take this concealer brush, and then I'm gonna take a little bit out of this one, and then a little bit out of this one, and that's like perfect. They do only have 5 concealer shades, which is why like neither of them matches me perfectly. So yeah. boom. And then I'm just gonna take this brush again. I would take a beauty blender, but like I don't feel like going to wet it and stuff. I'm being so lazy. And then I'm just gonna blend that out. Bam. And it gives you a nice little wet looking glow. There. Now I'm just gonna put a little bit of mascara just to make my eyes pop a little bit, just to make myself look a little more awake, because I did just wake up. So I'm gonna be taking this Milk Makeup Kush mascara. I love this mascara, you guys. Like, this mascara is just amazing. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of that, and only on my top lashes, not the bottom ones. It looks like I'm putting a lot, but I'm really just brushing them out because I hate when my mascara like clumps my lashes together. So like after I put on the mascara, I like brush them out just so they don't look clumpy. And last but not least, I'm gonna put a little bit of highlight just to give myself a nice little glow. Even though I have a nice little glow going on right here, I'm just going to put a little bit of this liquid Becca highlight, and I love this highlight. It looks so dewy and just natural. It doesn't look like a streak of shine across your face. It just looks like a glow. So I'm just gonna put that like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and then I'm just gonna blend that out with my finger. I love this highlight, y'all. Sometimes I mix this highlight in with my foundation and it makes your foundation look so dewy and beautiful. It looks so great, especially when I use matte foundation, because I have oily skin. So I use matte foundation, but I don't always like matte foundation because sometimes it can make your skin look dry. So when I mix this in, it makes it look like nice and dewy and all of that. So yeah, you see, ooh, that's actually like a lot of glow, but yeah. This one is actually really subtle. This is like one of my favorite highlights. It's my favorite highlight for a natural glow, because it doesn't look like you have highlight on, you just look like you're glowing. Now I'm just gonna spray my face with some setting spray. You don't really need that much because I didn't really put that much makeup. And I am all done, you guys. This is like a natural glow. This is no foundation, no nothing. This is just, you know, a little bit of cleaning up those dark spots. And yeah, I hope that this tutorial was helpful for you guys. And like I said, they want to see more you, less makeup. So if you don't even have any dark spots, you don't even have to do the concealer and stuff like that. But you do, if you are going to matte casting, you want to stay away from, you know, doing all the foundation and the powder and the under eye concealer and just like literally everything. I literally just use a little bit of makeup just to, like, you know, fill in where I feel like I'm missing, or you know what I'm saying. But you know, I don't want to clean up everything because I don't want to look too perfect. Like, I didn't clean up my forehead. I have a little dark mark right here. You know, you still want to look natural. That's the whole point. They want to see you because as a model, you're supposed to be a canvas, so they want to see the raw you so they can see like how they can work with you and stuff like that. So I hope that this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Give me some video suggestions that you guys want to see in regards to modeling, because like I said, I will be doing more modeling related videos. So if you want to see, like, I don't know, anything that you want to see, just comment them below and I will work on making a video for you. So thanks so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.